Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Ganesh Chandra Notial. If you are not subscribed my YouTube channel, then subscribe it and click on bell icon. Then you got lot of video to learn mathematical problem easily and quickly and understanding method. Today's topic is arithmetic progressive. Arithmetic progressive means AP. In arithmetic progressive is the easy way to solve the questions. What is the arithmetical progressive? Arithmetical progressive means if we find a series, in series each term we can get after adding a fixed number in previous number or previous terms. Only first term we cannot get by this method. In arithmetic progressive we can find each terms after adding and subtraction, because if number are negative then it will be subtract. So then in arithmetic progressive we can find each term after adding a fixed number and things in previous term we get each terms other than only first term. First term is the fixed number which represent in questions in arithmetic series. So today we learn arithmetic progressive. Arithmetic progressive means AP. AP represented by in generally form is A1, A2, A3, A4 and dot. It will be endless and not endless because it represents a series. Series sometimes is endless and sometimes is fixed. So it depends on the questions. So arithmetic progressive we have lot of terms and we can calculate by simple method. By definition we have already learned, other than first term we can find each terms after adding fixed number in previous term. So if first term is A, then we can find second terms by adding a fixed number and terms A plus D. And each time we are adding the same number and value. So third value is A plus 2D and fourth is A plus 3D. By this method we can calculate the every terms of arithmetical progressive, means AP series. Arithmetic series we can say it series. Arithmetic series we can represent by A1, A2, A3 and these terms. In also GP and SP also we can represent by A1, A2. But in this AP series we can get each terms after adding fixed number and value in previous terms. We are adding a D in previous term. That is called common difference. In AP series have common difference are equal in each continued terms. So today we learn how we can find and how we can check it is AP series, yes or no. Let's take equations. Two, 3, 4, 5. It is the very easy and general question. Here first term is A. It's 2. First term is 2. And what is the difference? If it is given it is AP series, then common difference are equal. But if it is not given AP series, it is given in normal series, then we have to check it is AP yes or no. For checking we find the difference of each continued terms. So 3 minus 2, D1 is 1. D2 4 minus 3 is also 1, and D3 5 minus 4 it is 1. In each time difference are equal, that is called common difference. Then we can say that it is AP series. Then we can say that it is AP series. And in AP series we have already know that the each term is represented by in simple way in number system A1, A2, A3, A3, A4, and second each terms we can be represented by this method. A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D. By this method we can calculate the each terms in simply. If we want to find the fifth and sixth term, then we know that fifth terms. Here first term is a second term. If terms is second, then A plus D means one time added D less than 1. A3 A plus 2D. Just like similarly A5 is A plus 4D. That is also a AP series terms of this equation, and put the value of A and D. A value is 2 and D value is 1. So our answer is 2 plus 4 is 6. Similarly, we can find the others value of this AP series, just like A7, AN. So in A7 is A plus 6D. Here A is 2 and D is 1. Right, put the value in this equation. So 2 plus 4 bracket में 1, sorry 6 bracket 1, then 2 plus 6 is 8, means seventh value is 8. Now if it is n terms, each time we know that A is as it is and D is as it is, but previous coefficient number is less than of the terms number. So if n terms, then it will be n minus 1. It is the formula of En. We find this value by En by A plus n minus 1 D. So if fifth terms, each time we have in previous time we check it, fifth terms is A as it is, D as it is, and multiple of D is less than 1 of number of terms. Less than 1 of number of terms, that is En. So now we have found that in each AP series we have one A, D and En terms means nth terms. So we have 4 things. First A, second D, third N and fourth is En. These are the basic point of AP series. By this method we can calculate the any terms of AP series. But sometimes some series are not AP but look like AP. Then we cannot find the by this method. Just like second question, root 2, root 3, root 4 and root 5. Some student thinks it is AP series because 2, 3, 4 have difference are same. Not. Its difference are not same, because if we find A is root 2 is simple. But if we find difference dy root 3 minus root 2, we cannot subtract it, because in previous time we have learned that if we have root number alphabet, then they will be same if we want to add and subtract. If they are not same, we cannot do addition and subtraction. So we cannot do addition and subtraction. In second time, d2 root 4 minus root 3. Root 4 value is 2 minus root 3. Here also root number are not same, so we cannot calculate it. So in d1 not equal to d2, d1 not equal to d2. So it is not AP series, because in AP series each difference are equal. So it is not AP series. So thank you for watching this video. Today we learned what is the AP series basic concept and what is the basic things of AP series. In next video we learn what is the formula of the AP series and how we can use that series. Today we learn in AP series have 4 things. First A, second D, third N terms and AN. 4 things are the basic point of AP series. So thank you for watching this video. If you are not subscribed my YouTube channel, then subscribe it. So wait for next video.